Welcome to MAXSGARAJMAHAL. Today we're going to be talking about lawnmower steering stick elevations, why they may or may not be level. And I want to say thank you to Super Clean, and they're good for all of your cleanings around the shop. Man, they do all kinds of stuff. You need you some Super Clean. I want to say thank you to Fuel Works red fuel cans. These things right here are the fastest fuel supply cans in the world, and they don't have any fuel fumes. That's the best part to me, and that's who I want to say thank you to. And it is now time to go to work. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to point this camera right over here at this Hustler zero turn right there, and we're going to zoom in on those handles. Now if you look at those handles, you'll notice, I had a guy ask me about these things, and I spent a great deal of time trying to explain it to him. These handles are not the same altitude. Now they're mounted here in the same bolt holes and the same pivot holes. All that's the same. So that is not what is going to change the altitude of your stick. Alright, here we go. Now right here is where the pivot handle comes down. Pivots on this bolt and swivel right here, and right behind that is an adjustment right down there. Really don't want to short out that battery. Let's see. Let me just pull the camera off and I'll get it down here where you can see with that light. Alright, give me just a moment, please. Alright, now then, here's that pivot I was talking about. There's your pivoting rod, and there's your handle, and that moves in and out, pivots this right here. But what changes the altitude of that rod, your handle is right here. There's a little slot that moves up and down. You move this up and down, and that changes the amount of tension going back to your wheel motors. So what you have to be careful of is when you move this up and down, you're going to have to make some more adjustments. So, but this is covering just the altitude of the handles, and that really precludes and gives you the end of this video, because what that's going to do, if I move this handle down right here to make it the same height as that over there, that's going to put more pressure to the rear, which then will take it past neutral, and that means you'll have to adjust that rod in and out. So be aware of that if you attempt this at home or even in your shop, for those that are commercial, remember, anytime you adjust that rod up and down, you're then going to have to adjust the rod going back to the wheel motors. So hope you got something out of this video, and if you did, I'd appreciate a like. And as we always say here at MAXSGARAJMAHAL, let me get back in here where y'all can. As we always say at MAXSGARAJMAHAL, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, give us a like, hit that notification bell so you get notified of the next one coming out, and share these videos. And this is the main thing. Y'all come back and see me now, you hear? Thank you, Super Clean. Thank you, Fuel Works. We appreciate you guys being on board with us. And by the way, Mass Depot here, gotta say thank you to them. They do a great job for us. They've helped us with tires in the past. These Mass FX tires, I mean, these boogers will get it. So y'all need you some of those. Y'all come back, see us now, you hear?
I tell me true.